Hello friends, welcome to the CADPower tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from Design Sense. Today we are going to learn about another powerful command of the CADPower, which is the measure2points. Measure2points command basically used for measure the distance between the 2 points on the curve. And this command can be used in any industry. So let's start with this command. We have the various method for apply this command. First method is the CADPower menu bar. From the CADPower menu bar, you can click on the polyline tools. In the polyline tool, we have the inquiry statistics, and in the inquiry statistics, we have the measure distance between 2 points on curve. So we can apply this command from here, and also we can apply this command from the ribbon bar. In the ribbon bar, we need to go to the CADPower tab, and in the polyline tool panel, we have this drop down option. So I'm going to click here, and here you can find the measure distance between 2 points on the curve. So from here we can also select this command. And other method for selecting this command is the shortcut command. We have the shortcut command for it, CP_measure2points. As you can see on the screen, we have the two shape. First shape is the spline shape and another shape is the polyline irregular shape. If you want to measure the distance of the horizontal or vertical lines, then you can simply use the dimension linear command. But if you have this irregular shape like this, from this point to this point, then you need to use the measure2point command for measuring the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so let's start with this command. So I'm going to type the CP_measure2point, enter, and now you can see we have the option pick first point on curve or type S for setting. So I'm going to type the S, enter. Now you can see we have the setting window. Here we have these options. First option is the create a new curve between the two mark point on the curve. So we need to click here, and another option is the sub curve extraction method. There are two methods, break and interpolate. First we are going to use the break method. After then we are going to use the interpolate method. And another option is the annotate the dimension with a text curve distance. We need to keep it same. And then I am going to click OK. So now our setting is saved and we need to recall this command. So I am going to use the enter key. Now we are going to give the first point for measure the distance between the 2 points. So for measuring the distance between the 2 points on the spline, I need to press the shift key and then right click. Then I need to select the snap to nearest. So I'm going to give this first point and then it will ask for the second point. Then I need to again press the shift key and then right click, and then I need to click on the snap to nearest, and second point I will define here. So we are going to measure the distance between these 2 points. So I'm going to click here. So now you can see it is asking for place the dimension. Click here, and as you can see we have the curve distance 799.0682. So this is the our curve distance between these 2 points. If I select it, then you can see it break the spline between these 2 points. So it will break this spline into the 2 parts. First part is this and second part is this. So like this we can find the curve distance of this spline. And now I am going to use this command on this polyline shape. For recall this command we can use the shortcut command or up arrow key in the keyboard. So I am going to use the up arrow key and then I need to press enter. So now this command is again started. So it is asking for the first point on the curve. For define the first point, I am going to press shift key and then right click and select the snap to end point. And for the first point I will click here. And for the second point, again I need to press the shift key, right click and select the snap to end point. And here I am giving the second point. And now click here. So now you can see this is showing the curve distance 659.8578. If I take the cursor over here, so you can see we have the length 659.8578, which is the perimeter length of this segment. Okay, and also it break down this segment from these 2 points. So it create 2 parts of this polyline. First part is this and second part is this. So now another option is the interpolate. For choosing the interpolate option, we need to again recall this command. So I am going to recall it from the up arrow key and then enter. Then I am going to type S here for the setting, enter. Now I am going to use the interpolate. In the interpolate option, it will ask for the interpolate distance, which I am going to give the 2.5, and then I need to click the OK. So now I am going to recall this command CP_measure2point, enter. Now it is asking for the pick the first point. First point I am giving here. Here I am going to give the second point. Click here. And now you can see this is showing the our curve distance. Also, if I select this entity, you can see we have the many number of the vertices. The interpolate command will create a new entity for these 2 points. If I am going to take the cursor here on this vertex, you can see the distance between the two vertex is the 2.5. And also you can see here we have the original polyline shape is as it is. It has created the new entity between the 2 points which we are given. Okay. The basic difference between the break and interpolate is the interpolate option will create a new separate entity for measuring the 2 points which we define, and in the break option it will extract the entity between the 2 points which we define. Okay friends, like this we can use this measure 2 points command for measuring the distance between the 2 points. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.